Okay, for homework tonight, 5th graders, it's all about interpreting remainders. The division's actually going to be pretty easy. You just have to figure out what to do with the result when you're done. So for the first one, you need 14 batteries. They come in packs of 4, so we're going to do 14 divided by 4. Remember the names of these? This one is your divisor and this one is your dividend. 4 goes into 1 0 times, so you can put a 0 there, or you can do 4 into 14 3 times. Subtract and you get a remainder of 2. Now if you're needing batteries, if you only buy 3 packs, you're going to still be short a couple. So you might want, you're really going to need 5. And then you'll have a couple extra. If not, you'll be short. Don't want that. Alright, for number 2, it says you are going to need 25 stamps. Books come in stacks of 6, so you're going to do 25 divided by 6 here, and 6 times 4 is 24. If we subtract, you get a remainder of 1. So you know you're going to need at least 4, but you're going to be short some, so you don't want to be short any, so you're probably going to buy an extra package. So you're going to want 5 instead, because otherwise we'll be short stamps. Next one. Some lady is taking a group of people out, 23 people out to dinner, and they're going to try and take a cab, and a cab will hold about 5 people, she thinks, and she needs to know how many cabs to order. So 5 times 4 here is 20, and then we'll subtract and we get a remainder of 3. If she orders 4 cabs, it seems appropriate. However, those 3 people aren't going to like it so much. They're going to want a taxi too, so you're actually going to want to order 4 cabs. Did I say that wrong? You're going to need 5 because those people aren't going to be wanting to wait out on the sidewalk or anything. Alright, then you had number 4, which was talking about baking bread. And you're trying to put them all on cookie sheets. You have 23 rolls that you need to make, and you can fit about 8 on a baking sheet, and 8 times 2 is 16, and then if we do some subtracting here, we get a remainder of 7. So with this one, you're definitely going to need 2 baking sheets, and probably, and for sure, you're going to need 3. So you won't fill it up completely, but you'll still want 3. And now you're cleaning up your CD collection, and you want to put them on shelves. Shelves only hold 4 CDs. Those are some very small shelves. You have 70 CDs divided by 4. 4 goes into 7 one time, and then we can do some subtracting here. Get 3. And then bring your 0 down. 4 will go into 30 7 times. Subtract and you get a remainder of 2. Now if you buy 17 shelves, you'll have 2 that won't fit on the shelf, so you probably want 18. And that shelf just won't be completely full. Alright, this one I asked you to change it to dollars because we don't use pounds in the United States. Alright, so you're going to buy a video game, and you've got $50 to spend. How many video games can you get if they cost $15 each? 15 times 3 is 45. We'll subtract and you get a remainder of 5. On this one now, what are you going to do with that extra $5? It's not enough to buy a new game, so you're probably only going to be able to purchase 3. You'll get 3 games for that price. And you'll just go home with $5 in your pocket. Number 7, there's a show somebody must want to watch. They want to tape it multiple times. It must be a favorite show. It's about 30 minutes long. And they want to record it on a DVD that holds up to 400 minutes. So we need to do a little dividing here. 30 goes into 40. I'm going to just cover up this 0 for a second. 1 time. We'll subtract. get a remainder of 10. If your remainder is smaller than your divisor, you're good. Then you need to bring down the next number. 3 goes into 100 about 3 times. And then when we subtract, we get a remainder of 10. Now, thinking about what we're doing with this remainder this time, we know that we can get 13 episodes on there. What are we going to do with this extra 10 minutes? Do you think we can record another one? Certainly not. It's 30 minutes long, so you'll probably just have 10 extra minutes of time on your CD, but you can certainly get 13 episodes in there. Alright. And then we've got number 7. Did I miss one? Or is that it? I think that's it. Alright, thanks for working with me tonight.